in the Botai village in northern Kazakhstan. About 5,000 years ago, humans domesticated the wild horse for the first time in history. A person mounted on a horse laid the foundation for the first information revolution and communication system on planet Earth. It became known that a centaur-like human riding a wild horse capable of galloping at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour could travel from east to west across the Kazakh steppe within a single day without any obstacles. Known to European peoples as the centaurman or mounted warrior, the first traveling pastoralists and horse breeders formed what can be described as paleo-expansionist military tourism across the Eurasian steppe. The ancient nomadic tribes of the Kazakh steppe, Aryans, Scythians, Saka, Yuezhi, Sarmatians, Huns, Teli, Wusun, Kangli, and other tribal confederations, created exceptionally powerful cavalry armies.